Sales Cloud Einstein is the fastest, easiest way to create a data-driven sales culture. It automatically captures customer data from email and calendars, so reps can skip time-consuming tasks like data entry. Then, Einstein takes all that data and turns it into sales insights, like surfacing an alert when a meeting is requested, a competitor is mentioned, or an executive has been added to the email, so your reps can respond immediately. Einstein prioritizes the leads that are most likely to convert and recommends a follow-up action. You can even treat leads differently based on their predictive lead score, like passing the hottest leads to your best reps. It also monitors the overall health of each opportunity, identifying those that might be at risk, and recommending the next best step to close the deal. You can even put customer data right into your reps' inboxes, helping them to engage faster with more targeted conversations. And accelerate growth by visualizing, exploring, and taking action on your sales data, all with just a few clicks. Finally, Einstein guides your forecasting with AI-driven insights, taking guesswork out of the process. And you can also see a predictive forecast with the key factors highlighted, so it's easier to course correct and keep deals on track. Create a data-driven sales culture with Sales Cloud Einstein.